we'll be using the data again from the physical therapist that collected the data on the rehabilitation types. We're going to use that same data that we used to build this frequency table generated here for the 30 random samples. And we're going to create a Pareto chart and a pie chart. So the first thing that we want to do is we're going to do the Pareto chart. And the Pareto chart is a special type of bar chart. And what we're going to do is we need this data to be in descending order, with the most frequently occurring injury being first and the least frequent being at the end. So we're going to highlight these because I want to sort them. I'm going to pick home, sort and filter, custom sort, and I'm going to sort by count. And I'm going largest to smallest. Okay. So now they're sorted from the largest being back injuries to the lowest being elbow. Now I'm ready to create my Pareto chart. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to highlight the columns D and E, my categories and my counts. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick insert, and I'm going over here to where we have charts. And so notice this chart up here looks like a bar chart. So it says inserting a column chart. And remember, a Pareto chart is just a special type of column chart. So I'm going to pick this as my type. And I want it in 2D. And so here's my chart. I'm going to move it over to the side, so I'm picking it up just like it was a picture or something on my worksheet, and I'm moving it over to the side. And right now it goes from 0 to 12, and it goes in descending order: back, knee, shoulder, hip, neck, elbow. So now what I want to do is I want to change the chart title. So I'm going to click on the chart title, and I will change this to types. Let's just call it types of rehabilitation required. So there we go. So there's my Pareto chart. So now, notice everything is there. I just highlighted the 2 pieces of information that I needed, and I picked the chart type, and I ended up with this nice Pareto chart. The next type of chart that we'll do is we'll do a pie chart. So that's our next one. So now what I'm going to do, so I deleted that one. So I highlighted it and I deleted it. And so now I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm coming over here like this. I'm highlighting the location of the injury and the count. I'm picking insert. And this time I'm going to pick the one that looks like a pie chart. So I'm picking the pie chart. I'm coming over here and I'm clicking on it. And I'm clicking the 2D pie chart. I'm going to scoot this over to the side a little bit. So there's the pie chart. Down at the bottom, it has the colors associated with the area. Remember, all of those together equal the 360 degrees as far as that circle is concerned in that pie chart. So now what we want to do is let's make it look a little bit better, and I'm trying to match what the book does as far as the format is concerned. So let's come over here and we'll click on the design. And we'll look at them. So here's one. So that one's got some shading to it. It's got the types underneath the chart title. Here's the next one. It's got the percentages highlighted in a black box, and then it's got the body parts over along the right hand side. This one is shaded in the lighter color, but it doesn't have any percentages. Same with this one. Same again with this one. So in accordance to what our book does, let's go back here to this type and we can pick this one. Let's see what else is here in the bar chart types. So let's see. So that one has some curvature to it. Maybe we'll pick this one with, let's see, so this one's all white. Let's pick this one with the percentages and with the information down at the bottom. So I'm going to click this one. And then again, I'm coming up to the top and I'm going to put types of rehabilitation. And so here's my pie chart. So the pie chart has the types of rehabilitation, what percentage of the whole each one of those body parts are, and then it has the color associated with each one. It's going actually in descending order, starting with the 37%, going all the way down to the 3%. So if we wanted to change anything else, so you can play around with the pie charts to look at it. If we wanted to, as far as the chart was concerned, we could look at it in that design again. We could change its colors. And so we could customize the colors that we wanted it to look like. We could, change the order if we didn't want it to be in the descending order. But here's a basic pie chart. So this Excel demonstration was on creating a pie chart and creating a Pareto chart.